Yeah, so do you want to rewrite this one probably like, now this square root means it's like a 3 over 2, right? And this cubed, so the square root. So if we write that as secant of, now that 2x is separate from the 1, looks like, because there's no brackets or anything. This is all to the power of negative 3 over 2. If we bring that now up to the top. And yeah, there's no brackets here, so it's just secant 2x, and then minus 1 outside of the secant. So if we take the derivative of that now, we have negative 3 over 2 times secant 2x minus 1. And then we subtract 1, so over 2, that's like 2 over 2, so 3 minus 2 is negative 5 over 2. Okay, so that's the outside layer taken care of. Now let's move inside, and we have secant 2x minus 1. That's kind of all one thing, so really we just have one more layer to do here. So the derivative of secant is secant x tan x, positive, right? Secant x tan x, and then that's secant 2x tan 2x. And then minus 1 would just be the derivative, that would be 0. But I guess we do have one more layer here because we haven't taken the derivative of 2x at all yet. Say again? Sorry? Why do we take the derivative of 2x? Chain rule? So this is the second level. Here's first level. There's the second level, which really we focus on this because the minus 1 is a constant. It's outside of the secant.
So it's not 2x minus
1. No, it's
brackets.
not. It's not brackets like this. No, that's a tricky part there. But we do have this outside level. Now we have the 2x that we have to multiply by. So times 2. So the simplified version, negative 3 over 2 times 2 is that's just negative 3. So this is negative 3. Like this is half of negative 3 times 2 is just negative 3. Secant, so we could put secant 2x tan 2x on top, and then notice this is a negative exponent, and we have a 2 as the denominator of the exponent. So what we could do is write underneath in the denominator square root of secant 2x minus 1, no brackets there, and then all to the 5.
Should we still, is the 5 under?
The 5 can be under, like the 5 can be under applying just to this or to the whole thing. It doesn't matter. They're both the same actually. So whether it's just the stuff underneath or it's on the outside.
But which one comes first though, like the square root sign or the 5?
Well, technically they're both exponents. So it doesn't really matter if you take it to the 5 and then multiply by 1/2, or if you take it to the 1/2 and multiply by 5, it's still 5 over 2.
Or it could be like combined or no?
Well, you know what I mean? Like if you had like w to the 1/2, which is what we have here, and then I take it to the 5, that's w to the 5 over 2. If you have w to the 5 and then you take it to the power of 1/2, which is this 5 inside applying to this first, you would still have w to the 5 over 2. So it doesn't matter which order. But I think that should be the answer there.
Yeah, it is.
Awesome. Alright, so that's 1K on 7-point tray. You see what I did there?
Right.
Today's.